Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox application not working or loading. So first and foremost, this could be your internet problem. Check your Wi-Fi, and if you think your Wi-Fi is slower, go ahead switch it to your mobile data. If you have a secondary Wi-Fi, switch it to your secondary Wi-Fi and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then try these steps. First of all, head over to Play Store, search for Xbox. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. In case you see update, select update and update your app. Now for the last solution, long tap onto Xbox, select the eye icon. In here, select storage and clear some cache. Once done, come back onto App Info page, go for force tap on your bottom right and select OK. Now go ahead, restart your device. Once done, launch your Xbox application and it should fix the problem. If it's still not working, then you have to uninstall it. Make sure that you remember your credential. Uninstall your app, reinstall again from your Play Store, and it will definitely work.